Hi, hey, I'm Mark Neihart with Premier Equestrian. We're here at Rebecca Farm in Kalispell, Montana, and we are now putting in Masters Blend footing for 3 arenas for the event at Rebecca Farm, which is one of the largest triathlons in North America. And as you can see, we're doing the grading right now. We've been mixing for the last couple of days, and now we're bringing it into the arenas to be graded out, mix some more, and then we're going to ride some horses on it. Yeah! Okay, so we're in the final phases of our installation here at this first arena at Rebecca Farms. We're in the grooming phase where we've installed and graded the footing, the Masters Blend, and now it's in process of rolling it and moisturizing it and grooming it and getting that final mix done. It has turned out ideal. This really has exceeded our expectations. We've provided a surface that has both traction and stability and shear support, along with what we call rebound. And that's the purpose of Masters Blend, to get the great traction and shear of the textile arenas, but also provide the cushioning agents that's missing in so many of them. So here we are at Rebecca Farms. We're looking forward to the event at Rebecca Farm, which is at the end of July, and where we're going to roll out Masters Blend, and we'll see you all there.